This is Force 13's Australia Ocean Channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology has severe weather warnings in place, along with a flood watch and various flood warnings. State of Tasmania is the state where all the activity is. And also the southern part of New South Wales, more so the snowy mountains. Here's the 12-hourly rainfall outlook by the Bureau of Meteorology, and looking at the severe weather warning in the snowy mountains. It's once again the damaging winds. A front is approaching from the west and is expected to bring strong west to northwesterly winds ahead of it to the Alpine peaks. Now here's a look at the GFS wind model, and the wind values are the bottom left hand side of the screen. This is out to 10 AM Tuesday. Damaging winds averaging 80 to 90 kilometres an hour, peak gusts around 110 kilometres an hour, possible above the 1900 metres mark overnight, and mainly during the early hours of Tuesday morning. Here's a look at the total precipitation for the Australian region. A severe weather warning has been issued for Adelaide Metro, Mount Lofty Ranges, Kangaroo Island, lower south east, parts of Yorke Peninsula, Murraylands and upper south east districts. And we have one for Victoria. Here's the Bureau's total forecast of rain. Severe weather warning in place, damaging winds, central east Gippsland, southwest, northeast, west, south Gippsland forecast districts. Cold front approaching Victoria late today, tracking across the state overnight and early Tuesday. However, a second cold front will pass through Bass Strait Tuesday afternoon and evening, and again damaging winds 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, peak gusts around 100 kilometres an hour. Expected to develop across the Victorian Alpine areas tonight, and winds easing over these areas by late Tuesday morning, but again to we strengthen on Tuesday afternoon. Here's a look at the Himalaya 8 satellite views of the Australian region. Locations which may be affected: Warrnambool, Portland, Frankston Falls, Creek, Mount Buddha and Wonthaggi. Now we have a look at precipitation for the Indian Ocean region and the Asian region. The final flood warning has been issued for the Mersey River. Minor flood warning remains in place for the North East River, Macquarie Rivers. There's a marine wind warning, gale warning for the far north and central west coast. Strong wind warning to the central north coast, Frank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of Flinders Island, upper east coast and south west coast. And the one for the lower east southeast has been cancelled. And an update, actually an issue initial minor flood warning for the Meander River. So that's been reissued. Now we have a look at the windy website. This is the ECMWF model, and we're looking at the wind factor, and followed by the GFS. And a gale warning will be in place for the Bunbury Geograph, the Lyon and Albany coast. Strong wind warning for Perth local waters, Perth coast tomorrow. An apology for the background noise. So another bout of severe weather, and in addition to what's happening down here in the southern hemisphere, we also have a interesting scene up there in the Westpac. We also have Invest 91S down here in the Indian Ocean. It's 1004 millibars, located 8.4 south, 70.4 degrees east. Winds at this point in time 25 knots, and it's located close to Diego Garcia, and that's 91S. And Typhoon Yongdari, that impacted the southern region of Japan, is most likely to come back with round 2. We also have 99W, 90W. Yondari 15W is most likely to absorb the energy from 90W. And keep an eye on the main channel. A possibility that there will be an update to the Westpac scene sometime tonight. Force 13 is always on the lookout for people that are good with computer technology, graphic designers. If you like to be part of the team, we operate on, or I should say we operate our own website, some fantastic content on YouTube, a couple of accounts on Facebook, Twitter platform, AU, Force 13 Main, and if you like to have a chat with myself or Nathan or any other member, Force 13 Skype, Phil13#9094 on Discord. And once again, would be appreciated your support by linking to the local channel. Bye for now.